In today's video, we will discuss renal masses and lesions and how to differentiate between them using radiology. Starting with the morphological types of the renal lesions, we have two types. The first one is ball-type lesions where the lesion is deforming the outline of the kidney, while the other one is not deforming the outline of the kidney and known as bean-type lesions. Regarding the size of the renal mass, it is less than 3 centimeters in diameter. It will be very rare to be metastasis. If it is more than 3 centimeters, it could be metastasis or any other malignant or benign renal masses. When you are confronted with renal mass, try to exclude systematically 3 types of tissue. First, try to exclude or prove presence of a cyst by searching for fluid content with Hounsfield unit less than 20 and absence of enhancement. If it is not fluid content lesion. Look for presence or absence of fatty tissue. If this fat is abundant, so it is macroscopic fat with diagnosis of lipid-rich angiomulipoma. But if this fat is small in correlation with lesion surface, do CT washout or MRI drop signal. If it is positive to microscopic fat, it will be either lipid-poor angiomulipoma or clear cell renal cell carcinoma, in which we can differentiate between these two lesions by diffusion, where in the former it will gives restriction while in the latter it gives free diffusion. If the result is negative for microscopic fat, it will be either fat invisible angiomulipoma or non-clear cell renal cell carcinoma. A restricted diffusion renal lesion with MRI focal signal drop is equal to lipid-poor angiomulipoma. A renal cell lesion with restricted diffusion and no signal drop is equal to non-clear cell renal cell carcinoma if clinical picture does not correlate with renal abscess or infarction. If the renal lesion shows free diffusion with diffuse signal drop, it will be clear renal cell carcinoma. It is very difficult to differentiate between oncocytoma and renal cell carcinoma radiologically, as the former usually contains central scar, while the latter usually shows central necrosis. Take care: a renal lesion plus calcification plus fat should be considered renal cell carcinoma until prove otherwise. A well-defined solid necrotic mass lesion with heterogeneous enhancement and axial width up to 100 by 80 mm and height up to 80 mm in right kidney upper to middle pole extended within perirenal space, renal sinus, and related pyelocalisal system are seen. A few calculi up to 6 mm in both kidneys and another calculus coronal height up to 7 mm in the right side ureter distal segment with hydroureter and FS upstream are also seen. Note the solid nodules with size up to 32 mm in lungs in limited performed sections in favor of metastasis.